Most students fail physics practicals by connecting this one thing wrong. Can you spot it? Let's fix that forever. What happens if you connect an ammeter the wrong way? You might just break it. Welcome to PhysicsBible, aka the Triune Physics, where science meets sense and exams meet excellence. Today, we are breaking down the most misunderstood components in electric circuits, the ammeter and voltmeter. Whether you are preparing for WAEC, NECO, JAMB, or just trying to pass your school test, you are in the right place. In today's episode, our main content includes the ammeter, which measures current and it is connected in series, while the voltmeter, which measures PD, connected in parallel. We have the cell, the battery, the resistors, key or switch, variable resistor, which is also called rheostat, used in controlling current. The basics. What is an electric circuit? A complete electric circuit is like a racetrack for charges flowing from the power source through components and back again. It must be closed for electricity to flow. Open it is called open circuit. No current flows. An electric circuit is also the path provided for the flow of electric current. It consists of the cell or battery, which is the source of energy, a conductor. Example, we have a wire through which the cell or battery is connected to a load. The load could be an electric bulb, as you can see being displayed on the screen, or a resistor. There is a key which serves to close or to open the circuit. To close a circuit also means to complete it, and to open a circuit also means to break it. What are the triune types of electric circuit? There are three types of electric circuit, namely, number 1, closed circuit. Number 2, open circuit. Number 3, short circuit. This gives us the triune types of electric circuit. Let's pick the first, the closed circuit. As you can see, a closed circuit is the one in which there is no gap along the conducting path. The key is closed and current flows through the conductor to the external load. If the external load is a bulb, it lights up. You can see the component of the closed circuit. You have the circuit symbol that includes a cell, the conductor, the resistor or external load or bulb, and we have the key closed. Number 2, of the triune types of electric circuit, we have the open circuit. An open circuit is the one in which there is a gap along the conducting path. The key is opened and current does not flow to the external load. And if it is a bulb, it does not light up. So let's look at the components or the circuit symbol included here. There are 3, the triune components. Number 1, we have the cell. You have the conducting wires. You have the resistor or external load or bulb. And we have the key. At this point, the resistor or external load or bulb is not functional because the key is opened. Number 3 is a short circuit. A short circuit is a closed circuit which has no load on it. Let's look at it. The diagram of a short circuit, we can see a cell, the conducting wires without a key, without a load. At this point, there'll be a large boom. Short circuit is dangerous. Avoid it. So before we leave this path, these are the three types of circuit as displayed on your screen. Quick quiz. Identify each of the following circuits sequentially. Identify each of the following circuits sequentially. Drop your answers in the comments. The ammeter. It is also your current detective. The ammeter is a tool that tells you how much electric current is flowing. But here's the secret. It must be connected in series. Understand that, underline that, imbibe that. Don't forget that. Why? Because current has only one path, and the ammeter has to sit on the track like a toll gate. Ammeters have low resistance, so they don't disturb the flow of current. The second, among these components, the voltmeter, aka the energy checker. Now, meet the voltmeter. It checks how much energy is gained or lost between 2 points. It's all about potential difference, how much push the charge got. The rule, take note of this, always connect the voltmeter in parallel. It's comparing the energy before and after the component, like checking fuel levels at start and end of a trip. What are the other important components in the circuit? Number one, we have the battery or cell. Plural form, battery. Singular form, cell. Provides the EMF, which is called the electromotive force. Number two, we have the resistor. It opposes the flow of current. Number three, variable resistor, also known as rheostat. Adjust the current. Number four, the key or the switch opens and closes the circuit path. Think of the resistor as a traffic jam, the key as a gate, and the variable resistor as a volume knob for current. So finally, the Triune method for summary. Number one, think it. Where does current need to flow? Place the ammeter there. Number two, solve it. How do we measure energy change? Use the voltmeter across components. Number three, own it. Use this in your practicals. Draw the circuit, label the connections, and double check series versus parallel before you begin. If you are preparing for any exams, quick recap. Ammeter is equal to series. Voltmeter equals parallel. Get that right? And you are halfway to acting your practicals. In our next episode, we'll tackle the biggest confusion in electricity. Voltage versus PD versus EMF.
Yeah, boy.
Don't miss it. Like, subscribe, and comment with the lighting boot if you want downloadable circuit diagrams for practice. Finally, here's a quiz for you. Which of these components adjust the current flow in a circuit? Drop your answers in the comments. We might feature you in our next episode. Stay safe, stay curious, because if physics is life, then you must learn it. Connect to our social media handles at PhysicsBible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.